Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. Now this time it's PC builds. I've got three. This is the first one. This is for my oldest nephew, Luke. I hope he likes the end result because I've spent a lot of time building it. And I hope you enjoy the video. So make sure you continue to watch. Hey guys, what did you think of that? Now, it's the first build of 3. So, there's going to be another one after this, and then one next week, Boxing Day. So, this is the first one. This is for my oldest nephew. His name's Luke. And to be honest, what I will say is this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I thought the black and white wouldn't suit it, but I have to admit, I can see his vision. He wanted white and black because he's the one that picked the fans. He picked the AIO. He wanted that one because of the screen. And of course, when it came to like the CPU, the motherboard and the GPU, then of course I picked those. My brother paid for those. But I'd like to say a massive thank you to Lexar for providing the 32 gig kit here, and to Scott at Target and Adata for providing the NVMe as well, and Dan at Target as well for sending 2 CM420 kits. These are keyboard, mouse and mouse pad, and I'd like to say a massive thank you to them, because without the brands I work with, none of this type of stuff would be able to happen. Now, I've got the other build coming, which will be Saturday. That one is all black with just RGB everywhere. So make sure you subscribe for that, because the build after that will be an Intel platform. So make sure you subscribe. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!